Hello, it's Pup's Life. You are watching Top 5 Best Tie-Out Cable for Dogs. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Pettist Reflective Tie-Out Cable for Dogs. Steel cable and swivel clips, for superior strength and durability. Reflective and anti-rusty, vinyl covers for extra safety at night. Snaps, which is durable and anti-rust, on both ends can be easily attached to a post or stake for a protection of dog's neck. Number 4. IntelliLeash Tie-Out Cables for Dogs. 40 feet long, flexible and strong dog tie-out cable for small pets up to 35 pounds. Many sizes available, in different lengths and weights to ensure the perfect cable for any dog. Made of galvanized aircraft, cable coated in crack-resistant PVC. Number 3. Petbobi Tie Out Cable for Dog. The Petbobi dog cables are equipped with a spring attachment, absorbing the shock. When dogs chase squirrels, deer, or sand cranes, can reduce the neck damage caused by the strong impact force of excitement. Number 2. BVPad Tie-Out Cable for Dogs. 30 feet lightweight and ultra-strong tie-out cable for dogs, up to 125 pounds anti-rust vinyl cover for extra safety and 360 degrees rotating clasp for enhanced flexibility. Crimp and swivel clip covers, for stronger ends and rust protection from rain. All steel cable and clips. Rigorously quality tested. Number 1. Snaggle Paw Tie-Out Cable for Dogs. At 50 feet long, rigorously tested for dogs, up to 250 pounds. Our tie-out cable for dogs is the top choice for dog running freedom in outdoor, yard or camping, providing more space to run or training. The dog leads for outside has 360 degrees free rotating clip, which is lightweight, durable and rust-proof.